It has been over 2 years and we still don't have any solid news about when the DJI Pocket 3 will be released. Earlier mentioned that the specifications and timeline are highly likely, so everyone's wondering why there's been a delay and what DJI's next move will be to remain the top choice for the portable cameras. In this video, we'll try to figure that out. In our previous video, we referenced Deal's drone and shared his timeline for DJI's upcoming products. We had confidence in the accuracy of the timeline after the RS3 Mini and Inspire 3 were released. Theoretically, by this time, DJI should have announced something regarding this, so what happened? Well, insider leaks in the industry suggest that DJI had initially planned to release the Pocket 3 in April 2023. However, DJI decided to prioritize the release of Inspire 3 and allocated the April release slot to it instead. The Inspire 3 was originally scheduled for a March 2023 release date, but ended up being delayed by 2 months and was released in May 2023. As of now, there has been no official announcement regarding the release date of the Pocket 3. DJI typically reveals the official release date a few weeks prior to launch based on their past product launches. Regardless, rumors indicate that the DJI Pocket 3 is in its final stages of development and may be released in the next available release slot, which is expected to be in autumn of 2023. However, is it worth waiting for? First of all, DJI Pocket 3 is speculated to feature a larger lens, possibly incorporating the 1-inch sensor seen in the Mavic Air 2. Although this may result in increased size and weight, it would be a worthwhile compromise for improved portability. Another anticipated enhancement is an expanded dynamic range of 13 to 14 stops, enabling superior color grading capabilities. An upgrade to 10-bit colors would also enable shooting real HDR videos, a desirable feature considering the growth popularity of portrait videos on social media platforms such as TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. Currently, these platforms predominantly utilize videos recorded in portrait mode. There's another nifty feature that's a pretty interesting concept. Unlike its predecessor, the Pocket 2, which had a fixed battery, the Pocket 3 is expected to come with a swappable battery. This would be highly advantageous for extended periods of uninterrupted recording. Incorporating a modular design with a removable battery would be a welcome addition to the Pocket 3, allowing users to easily swap batteries between recordings. All these features make this handheld camera highly valuable and worthwhile, although it's important to note that these features are currently just calculated thinking based on predictions.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
DJI's Pocket cameras have always been a fan favorite because of their capability and portability. It's a direct competitor to the action cameras, but there are some benefits of having an action cam rather than a Pocket instead. They're lightweight, waterproof, and affordable, so if you can't wait for Pocket 3, there are multiple similar cameras that you can go for, like the Fimi Palm 2 Pro, Feiyu Pocket, DJI Osmo Action 3, etc. But we think if you need an up-to-date handheld camera, DJI Pocket 3 is the one you should really wait for. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Consider subscribing for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.